Hey there! Welcome to the Euhomy family. This is your brand new Beverage refrigerator. Let's make sure the box arrives safely. Any damage? Don't worry. Contact customer service first. They'll make it right. Find contact info in the manual. Inside the box, you'll find the unit, manual, and shelves. Find a flat, stable spot away from sunlight or heat. Use leveling feet to make it perfectly level. Leave 2 inches of space at the back and side for ventilation. After everything is ready, please let it rest for 24 hours before enjoying. This helps it perform at its best. We hope you found this video helpful. Have any questions? Feel free to connect with us anytime.